The lecture number 1, An ICT role in key sectors of development of ICT. Standards in the field of ICT. Plan first, review of computer systems. Second, evolution of computer systems. 3, architecture and the competence of computer systems. Use of computer systems, date representation computer systems. What is the ICT? During last decade of 20th century, this was exponentially development in information and communication technology (ICT), which led to a transmission of processes and practices in almost all aspects of human activities. Information and communication technologies (ICTs) are the technologies used in the conveying, manipulation and storage of data by electronic means. Information and communication technologies. Information is data that has been sorted and arranged. It consists of organized facts and opinions people receive during daily life. Churning data into information is called data processing or information processing. It involves gathering, organizing and reporting data so it is usable to people. It is often done using information technology. ICT tools: radio, television, video, DVD, telephone, fixed line, mobile, satellite systems, computer and network hardware and software technologies such as video conferencing and electronic mail and blogs. Information and communication technologies. People often use the terms information and communication together. These terms are related, but each means something different. Two words you need to know to understand communication technology are data and information. Data includes individual factors stated. These facts and ideas are not sorted and arranged in any manner. What is communications? Communications is simply the act of transferring information from one place to another. Exchanging information from computer to another computer. The classic communication systems is made up on information source and encoder, a transmitter, a receiver, a decoder, storage, retrieval and an information distinctions. Asynchronous communication, discussion forums, blogs, groups, Wikipedia, Google, mobile SMS, MMS, podcasting. Scope of Internet as a ICT: education, research, communications, leisure and entertainment, exploring the world, finance, shopping and many more. Scope of Internet as ICT in education. ICT is a tool to enable teacher learning practice via Internet. ICT is an administrative tool. ICT is an expanding learning opportunity. ICT is faculty of higher order thinking skills. Psychology of using teaching aids which include ICTs. Here is an effective saying: I hear, I forget. Verbal dispersion only are not enough for learners to remember and understand. Visualizations of objects exponentially in science and technology is important. I see, I remember, knowledge that is gained, thus the sight is more colorful, accurate and permanent. It is said the 80 of our knowledge is gained through our ICT can help learning develop understanding, speed and the automatic function of ICT can enable teachers to demonstrate, explore or explain aspect of their teaching and the students learning more effectively, e.g. as of spreadsheets perform calculation in order that patterns can be connected or rather than the calculating. ICT can help learning extend access to source, the capacity and the range of ICT can enable teachers and the students to gain access to historical recent of intermediate informations. Thus, for example, accessing inform on CD-ROM or the internet. Does ICT increase access to learning opportunity, education opportunities in dispersed locations where conventional schools are not available, a choice to students and parents of what they want to learn, i.e. choice-based credit systems, CBCS, a safety net for schools dropouts so they do not lapse into illiteracy, alternative venue to schools, second chance educations, standardized curriculum materials, lifelong learning concept, limiting front-end assessment process, internet-based ICT in articulatory using web applications. There are many web sites available for getting information regarding agricultural products. One of them, Soil Health Card, 12th Natural Governments Award winner. Useful case internet network connecting computers with each other for exchanging information. Client, it is a program or computer for getting spatial information from another computer. Server, it is a program or computer which gives information to the client computer. Protocol, it is a rules for connection to the internet, TCP/IP. Portal, it is a website known as a gateway of internet. Router, it is a device which decides where data will be sent. www, World Wide Web. Browser, it is a program which helps us to access internet. Website, groups of internet web pages. URL, Universal Resource Locator. Types of website: domain, commercial organization, net, large networks, government organization, or non-profit making organization, educational organization, military organization in India, Australia, as United States, UK, United Kingdom. The first lecture is finished. Thank you very much.